This model kit review is of the Stinson Reliant, the SR-9, and this was a gull-wing plane from the 1930s. It's a 1/48 scale model by AMT, and this is an older model kit, and shows you some of the build parts there. Let's have a look inside. First of all, here is our windshield and some of the windows, reasonable. Looking at this sprue here, here's our nose cowl. We have our cockpit here with the doors. Here are our seats. We do have fairly obvious mold lines here. See how they come together. Here are our wheels, control sticks. Here's our engine, doors, and this is probably our instrument panel there. Here's the one wing. I guess the left and right top. Here's our tail, and then the struts. Here's our fuselage. Fair level of detail here. And the inside also has some detailing there. Both sides. Exhaust ring for the radial engine. These are probably the wheel struts. Here's our pilot, who looks armless. Here are the arms, and here are our wings. Decals, not very many. It's a civilian plane. And reasonable condition still. And here are the instructions. First of all, we start off with the parts listing. Put together the cockpit into the fuselage as well as the doors. And then fuselage is put together along with the stabilizer and wings. Wheels are put together, engine, cowl, and propeller, and decal guide. So all in all, fairly simple model. Molding is not great, but an easy build.